Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Mailchimp segments, one of the most powerful ways to find and target specific groups of people within your audience. By the end, you'll know how to create a segment based on things like phone numbers, and you'll be ready to laser focus your email campaigns like a real pro. Let's get started. First up, head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to select your audience. Think of your audience as your giant address book in Mailchimp. It's where all your contacts are stored, whether they're existing customers, leads, or newsletter subscribers. Next, within your chosen audience, you're going to look for an option called Segment. Now, a segment in Mailchimp is kind of like creating a special filter. You're sorting your audience into a smaller, more targeted group based on criteria you decide. Segments are really helpful when you don't want to send the same email to everyone, but instead want to tailor your messages to a specific group. Go ahead and click on Create Segment. This opens up all the powerful sorting tools Mailchimp offers. Imagine looking for a needle in a haystack, but in this case, you can tell Mailchimp exactly what kind of needle you're after. Now, a common way to use a segment is to search for a specific type of account detail, like people who share a particular phone number prefix. To do this, let's add a filter. Click Add Filter, then choose Phone Number from the dropdown. Here you're going to see different filtering options. Let's pick Starts With. This is useful when you want to find, say, everyone whose phone number starts with 51. Type 51 into the field. Just a heads up, this part might take a few moments depending on how many contacts you have. What you're doing here is telling Mailchimp, show me only the people whose phone numbers begin with 51. Maybe you're targeting a certain area code, for example. This filter can be a real lifesaver, especially if you have a large audience. Next, go ahead and click Review Segment. Mailchimp will show you a preview of everyone who matches your filter. It's always a good idea to double-check that your segment is pulling in the contacts you actually want. Think of it as peeking into your sorted haystack to make sure all the right needles are there. Once you're happy with what you see, click Use Segment. Now you'll be prompted to give your segment a title. This is where you make things easy for your future self. For example, you can call it 51 Phone Number Finder so you know exactly what it is at a glance. Take a moment to choose a name that will make sense to you down the road. Then save and exit. Here, the payoff. Go to your Audience tab and look in the drop-down menu for segments. You'll notice you have a new option, 51 Phone Number Finder. Whenever you select this, Mailchimp instantly displays all the contacts who fit your segment's criteria. So you can now target just this group whenever you want, without setting up new filters or searching through your audience again. It's a huge time saver and makes your email marketing much more effective, and that's really it. You've just learned how to create and use Mailchimp segments to hone in on the exact audience you want to reach. If you found this walkthrough helpful, smash that like button, drop your questions or success stories in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.